Hello, fourth graders. Today we are going to take what we know about area and perimeter to solve some tough problems. Are you ready? The area of a backyard is 50 square feet. The perimeter of the same backyard is 30 feet. What are the dimensions of the backyard? We need to start this problem by taking 50 square feet and focusing on that. Area is length times width. So we need two numbers that we can multiply together to get 50. So our first step should be to factor the number 50. I got 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. Now, we need to take one of those factor pairs and start with some trial and error. So let's start with 2 times 25 and label our backyard. Now, when we multiply 2 times 25, we know we'll get 50 because we already factored it. Now we need to see if when we add these sides up, because perimeter is adding up all four sides of this rectangle, we need to see if we will get 30. So we should be able to add 2 plus 2 plus 25 plus 25 and get 30. But we don't. That adds up to 54 feet. So this is not the factor pair that will solve this problem. The dimensions are not 2 by 25 feet. Let's try another factor pair. 5 and 10. Now, when we add up 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10, we should be able to get 30 if this is the factor pair that solves the problem. And 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 10 more is 20, plus 10 more is 30. So we have figured it out. Our dimensions of the backyard are 5 by 10 feet. Let's try this one. It says find the length of the rectangle. So what we know is that the width is 6 feet and the area is 48 square feet. Area is length times width, and we need to find the length. That means we should be able to solve this problem. Length times 6 equals 48. Thankfully, that is easy math for us in fourth grade. We can figure this out as length equals 48 divided by 6, which is 8 feet. The length of this rectangle is 8 feet. How about this rectangle? It says find the length of the rectangle. The side is 6 feet. We don't know the length, but the perimeter is 64 feet. That should say feet, not square feet. All right, so for perimeter, we add up all four sides, or we could say 2 times length plus 2 times width. So let's write out our formula. 2 times length plus 2 times width, or 2 times 6, equals that 64. So when we do some math here, we end up with 2L, which is the same as saying 2 times length, plus 12 equals 64. We can move that 12 over to the other side of our equal sign by subtracting it. So 2L, or 2 times length, equals 64 minus 12. Well, 64 minus 12 we know is 52. So now we need to get that 2 times length on the other side. We need to get L by itself and divide 64 minus 12 divided by 2. So length is going to equal 52 divided by 2. Our length is 26 feet.